Hi, welcome to Ray Purpose Made, home of one-of-a-kind custom furniture. See how I take regular old pieces of wood and turn into something extra special just for you. I love the idea of adult furniture that looks like it was designed by your inner child. Fisher-Price decor. Really cool, vibrant pieces that excite the room and make an amazing statement. That's exactly what I set out to do when I designed David's undersink cabinet for his bathroom. From the very start of this project, this is one of the tougher ones to wrap my head around because the shape of the sink, the shape of all sinks. They're never really square even if they look like it. And that meant I had to contend with angles and curves to get the right measurements to frame out the size of the cabinet below. Once the cabinet was erected and I got confirmation from David that the fit was right, it was time to have the real fun. I started with a gray finish because the base needed to have the gray wood stain and then painted on liquid polyurethane sealant and then spray painted gray for like the top coat finish, but then after that spray painted with lacquer to protect and seal the whole thing. The finishing for the door is my favorite part. David wanted a blue epoxy art detailing. I'll let it speak for itself. But wait, there's more. David wanted to add a little side shelf on the left side of the sink cabinet so that he can have a little bit more storage and its position in between the tub and the sink. As you can see so far, every part of this cabinet has its own theme, has its own color. You have the smooth gray base, the black metal legs, the blue epoxy cabinet, and for the shelf, I wanted to go with wood burn and a wood orange stain. The final phase of this project was bringing all the pieces back together and adding the hardware including the magnetic strip, the handle to the door, and the hinges. This is the first time I actually did hidden hinges. Usually I do a more of an exposed hinge, kind of like this. But for this project, I wanted to have the hinges be inside of the cabinet so that the epoxy on the face of the cabinet could be fully untouched. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you want to see more. If you click on that little bell on the bottom, you will be notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Ray Purpose. Thanks for watching.